We're trying to avoid the fires. Seriously.
You can do that, or you can go south, and we come up near Flathead Lake, and we come up and through here into Kalispell, because this is where we're going now, whereas last time it was Whitefish. But if we go north, we have two routes we can take off the north route.
Okay, so the Purcell Mountains are on fire right now, right here.
Those are on fire.
Oh, there's an active fire, yeah.
Okay. What about
That's
getting
too
down
bad because I wanted to go up there actually.
Well,
This route, there's no fires.
So it's supposed to rain over here tomorrow.
So if it rains, that would probably knock that out. And these aren't bad fires.
That looks pretty big, doesn't it?
Well,
What is that?
Well, actually, yeah, there is an active fire right there. So yeah.
We're trying to figure out which route has the least amount of smoke when we ride out to Montana tomorrow. God, I already forgot where we're going.
I don't talk in front of the camera. I just let you screw it up and then laugh at you in the background.
Oh, thank you. That was on. Okay, I forgot to show you around. I'm tired. It's early. It's early for us. It's 8 a.m. But we're up. We're getting ready. We're in the executive suite, as you can tell here, at the Holiday Inn Express. I got it right.
Yeah.
I got it right. This room is really nice. Aaron got to sleep out here in the living quarters. Then we've got the guest quarters here. Very nice. So we've got all our setup. Everyone's getting stuff packed up. We're almost ready to go. We're going to go down and get some breakfast and then head on out. The thing that's the most exciting is it rained last night. Now, normally I wouldn't say that, but you'll notice there's not a lot of smoke in the air, which is just fantastic since, according to Earl, I was coughing like an 80-year-old man. Nothing wrong with 80-year-old men, just don't want to cough like one yet. But the best part of this is this shower is legit, and the body jets, very awesome. Well done, Holiday Inn. Well done. All right, it's day 2, first day. There's a camera. All right, let's try that again. All right, it's day 2. We're getting ready to leave Spokane. Had a great stay here at the Holiday Inn Express. Thanks to the general manager for letting us park the bikes right here. Really appreciate it. Yesterday, riding out from the Portland metro area all the way out here, we did just over 400 miles. I want to say around 430 miles. Aaron did a lot more because he had to come up from Lebanon to get up into Portland. Today, we're going to head out and go southeast, and we're going to make our way out to Kalispell. The weather looks like it's going to be okay. We might run into some thunderstorms a little bit later, but that'll be all right. That's why we're all dressed in our weather gear today. But the important thing is there's not a lot of smoke in the air, and that's going to be really nice because I was hacking up a lung last night. So we're going to get ready to take off, and stick around. We'll show you some footage of what we see and what we do. See ya. You having a hard time with the mask?
Well, the problem is it's getting more and more squished every time I do it. Seriously filming you just trying to get this on.
We've already established you're the smart one. That's why Aaron and I were coughing up a storm last night. But we want to see what it looks like to have to be that smart.
Well, it's a lot of work.
We're in the town of Moulin, or Moulin, or Mullen. Actually, it's probably Mullen. But we're here. We're just getting a little warm gear on. Temperature's dropping a little bit, but very pretty ride. Right, Earl? Good gas in Mullen, I think is what we decided, right? Well played at the Dinosaur Gas Mart, as Earl called it. Earl wants a picture of the dinosaur gas. Dinosaur gas. Montana is beautiful. Oh, you need a picture? Where is it? He's right there. Pretty incredible. Earl wants me to take a picture of him. Welcome to Big Sky Country. Welcome to Flathead Lake. Pretty amazing. It's huge. I know, right? Wait, I realize that the camera doesn't hear the fact that you're talking to me right now, so I'm answering random people. But yes, Flathead Lake, Montana, quite beautiful. It's huge.